Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to learn the time tables. We're going to learn the timetables from 0 to 10. We're going to use our fingers. Don't forget, let's start. This is the number 10. We're going to do the table of 10. So number 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let us see, if I have the table of 9 and I want you to tell me how much is 3 times 9. Let's see. 3 times 9 is what? We're doing the table of 9. So it says 9 times 3. So 9 times 3 is what? 27, right? Let's see. Let's see what it is. We have 20, right? And then we have 7. Let's see. 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27. This is your answer, 27. And well, let's see if we have the table of 9 times 4. Let's see what 9 times 4 would be. We says 9 times 4 would be, let's see. Let's put up 1, 10, 20, 30. And let's see. We put down this finger and we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 36. Okay, boys and girls. Now let us go to the table of 0. So we said the table of 0 is 0 times 0 is 0 times 0 is 0. Anything times the number 0 is 0. So we have nothing up here. Now we are going to go to the number 1. And we said the number 1 is the number time itself. So we say 1 times 1 is 1. And then we go on to 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. And so on. Now we're going to do the number 2. And the table of 2. And the table of 2 we call it doubles. You take the number and you double it. For example, we said 2 times 2. Let's see what it is. 2. So we said 2 and 2 more. We use our fingers and we say 2 and 2 more. And that would be, 2 more would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. If we want to double again the number 3. So we say 2 times 3 is what? The number times itself. The number plus the number. So that's 2, 3 plus 3 equal, let's see, 3 plus 3. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 6. All right, boys and girls? So now, let us do the table of 4. What does the table of 4 called? It is called double. All right, boys and girls? Why? We said that if we want to say the table, we want to say 3 times 4. What is 3 times 4? We said double. So let's see. Double is 3 plus 3 equal. We said 3 plus 3 is 6. And we double this number. So we say 6 plus 6 equal 12. So we said, we said what was 3? 3 times 4 is double. Okay, and the answer is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Now we are going to do the table of 5. And we call the table of 5 nickels. Nickels. Alright, let's see. Nickels. Why do we call it nickels? Because all of you guys know what is a nickel. Yes, you guys know what is a nickel. Let's see if we have 3 times 5. We said 3 times 5. What is it? We put 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or we could say 5 cents plus 5 cents plus 5 cents. And that is what? 5 plus 5. 5 plus 10 plus 5. A nickel is 15 cents. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? And then we do the table of 8. The table of 8 is called double, double, double. Let's see. Double, 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 double. Why do we call it double? So the first one, let's see, we have 8 times 3. How do we double 8 times 3? We said the number times itself, times itself. So we said we want to see 8 times 3. 3. What is 8 times 3? We says 3 times what? So the answer was 8 times 3, right? We want to know what it is. Let's see. We're going to write it down right here. 3 plus 3 is 6. And then we say, we double the number again. We say 6 plus 6 is 12. And then we double this number, the 12 plus 12. And the answer is 24. So we did double the first number. We double this number 2 times. We double the second one. And we double it once more. We got 12. And we double the 12 and we got 24. Now we're doing the table of 6. The table of 6 is called triple double. Triple, triple, double. What is triple double? Why do we say triple double? So let's go and see why do we say triple double. We are gonna do, for example, we're gonna use let's say 6 times 7. What is 6? Let's see. We are gonna double the number, right? We're gonna say 7. We're gonna triple the number. 7 plus 7 plus 7. Let's see. 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 7 is 21. Okay? And then we are going to double the number. Right? So we said 21 plus 21 equal 42. So we got our answer. We got a triple and then we have a double. Okay? Now we are going to do the table of 7. Let's see this table of 7. And for me, the table of 7 is no name. No name. Why? Why is it called no name? Let us see. When we look on a table, we could put right here the only number that's different for this table. If you notice your number, we are gonna finish up this table, and you're gonna see that the only number that doesn't appear all the time on the table would be the number 49. Okay? The number 49. Let's see. We are going to start with the number. We are going to start with the table of 10. 10 times 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. And 10 times 10 is 100. So when we go on and we do all the tables with the methods that I have taught you, you're going to realize that the only number that you don't have is the number 49. But all the other numbers are going to be repeated. The answer is already given. Boys and girls, you don't need to figure it out. It's already given. Let us look. If we do anything, we're going to realize, let us see the answer for the number 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Okay? 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 7 is 28. These numbers are already here. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 times 7 is 42. We just did it in the triple double. And 8 times 7 is 8 times 7, boys and girls. 8 times 7 is Let's see, 8 times 7 is what? 56. 56. Okay? And 6 times 7 is, 8 times 7 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. Alright, so here we have the answer. That is the only number that does not appear, and that is the number 49. The answer, 7 times 7. Now we are going to go to, this is the way that we learn our table. We already learned that the number 10, we add on a 0 to every number. And then if you look at it, it says 1, we add on a 0 to 1. 2, we add on a 0 and we get 20. 3, we add on a 0 and we get 30. 4, we add on a 0 and we get 40. 5, we add on a 0 and we get 50. 6, we add on a 0 and we get 60. 7, we add on a 0 and we got 70. 80, we add on a 0 and we got 80. And 90, we add on a 0 and we got 90. And 10, we add on a 0 and we got 100. So boys and girls, here is your table of 1 to 10. Alright, I hope you spend some time with the methods that I have taught you. Alright, thank you.